This is the Bay Furnace near Christmas, Michigan. Built in 1870. It's a furnace that they smelted iron in. Made pig iron. And this is a pig iron billet. That's what they cast here. They literally dug molds out of these in the floor and let the iron pour out of the furnace through the floor and cast a bunch of these individual pigs. Or I'm not even looking at. There it is. It's hard to see the camera here. There's a little bit about the process of it. Munising Bay, part of Lake Superior. That's Grand Island out there. See, that's how they would literally cast those iron ingots. Make little molds in the floor, so they'd let a river of iron flow through those passages and into each individual mold. The interesting thing about this furnace is they smelted iron with charcoal, which out of the millions and millions of tons of iron ore that were taken out of the Upper Peninsula in the 1800s, virtually less than 1% of it was ever smelted up here. A very small amount was smelted with charcoal, but it was very inefficient compared to coal. So most of it was smelted elsewhere, down in lower Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, where coal is easier to find down there.